Hey guys, I'm Andrei, a tour guide in Minsk, Belarus, and a real estate concierge. We're scouting for more houses. It's a very lovely day, plus 25 centigrade. The heat died down a little bit, so it's perfect for housing, shopping. And we're in one of the villages in Stolpce area where we see 3 houses which are selling. One of them has a potential of selling for 6. It's almost done as a house, but it's still kind of livable if you fit in some comforts. Well, you have to balance your needs versus your budget. And there's another one pretty good, which is still selling for 12, but it's gonna sell like that for a while. And another option that we'll show you shortly. So let's have a look at what's inside these houses. Stay with the channel. Summer may be a good time to shop for houses to see how cool they are, but you definitely should keep in mind that winter follows summer. And a local who is frequenting these parts in summer and in winter could be handy on one of these rides and definitely could tip you off about some local peculiarities. That's where a real estate concierge might come handy in your shopping. Guys, we are in Yankovich village, which is further into the countryside of Stolpce district. The Naliboki Preserve Park is close by. You'll see the panoramas quite soon. The place is green and nice, and there's asphalt going right to the door of this charming house. The owner is coming soon. Traditional 0.25 hectare land lot. Negative factors are the guy next door uses his place for a summer house. Friday to Sunday there's gonna be lack of peace with music and everything. It looks like the traces of barbecue over there. And the road seems quite busy. It's a transit road, which I know from my experience, so it's not something you can hear immediately. Cars are just passing by at leisure. But Friday, Sunday, traffic may be quite bad, and this is something you would at least have to consider. Not necessarily use it to dismiss this house, just keep it in mind where you want to build a new house or something like this. Out of all options we saw, the price here is a bit more realistic, about $8,000, and depending on what we see inside, depending on how much fixing is required for the stove and everything to make it at least fit for TRP, the price could shift a little bit. And by the way, there are shuttle buses all the way to Minsk going through this place. Shop comes on truck, so it's something you will order online a couple of days ahead of the delivery. And generally it seems like a nice, tranquil place, especially cute in summer and especially dead in wintertime. Let's see what's inside here. It's a little hard to shop in the village because unlike the city that offers certain infrastructure and districts with rating, here you have to balance between good road and good connectivity with a busy road, with a very dead road, between ugly neighbors that may not be so offhand, and choose between other multiple factors that only a villager would know of, and especially a local one. So that's why it requires a lot of rides, a lot of views, a lot of interviews to owners. My record by now is 6 views with one single guy who is now down to 12,000, but he's not quite ready yet for a real deal. So that's how it works. Walking around these houses, I feel history of my country. I'm proud I'm living here. I like the place and I very much enjoy living in the countryside myself, although it's not cheap. And this is quite exciting when you can see some old things and talk to the owners firsthand and get some experience from them. Well guys, this was a quick review of some half a dozen properties around the countryside. We've discovered a couple of new options which weren't really new. They dropped in price since last time I saw them, and even though you may browse an ad from June this year, I saw this place, I may have seen this place 6 months ago and the price was higher, so this is a trend that you have to know when you negotiate the price. This is another reason why I may be handy on your trip here shopping for properties. Thank you very much for watching, and sooner or later we'll release a movie about the lucky winner, a quick clip, and stay in touch. Thank you for watching the channel. Press a like or a dislike, put a comment down below about where you would like to live, where you would shop for living, and which other places you would like to see. If we shop there, I'll definitely take some effort to film them. Thank you for watching, and cheers! Travel safely and shop wisely. This was Andrei.